How to enable or disable eye tracking feature on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure on how you can enable or disable eye tracking feature in your iOS 18. For that, first of all, open up your settings on your iPhone, then go to accessibility. After which, you simply want to scroll down, and what you want to do is go to physical and motor, select or tap on eye tracking. After you do it, so you simply want to toggle the button next to it. If you turn eye tracking on for the first time, or if you've previously turned it on, you need to calibrate it. Follow the on-screen instructions, which typically involves moving your eye to follow a dot as it shows around the screen. And what you need to do is you want to simply go ahead and click on the yes button, and this is how you could go ahead and this is how you could enable or disable your eye tracking. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.